guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at Lowe's and I'm riding a Craftsman mower, and I'm gonna check out this one, which is my favorite one, and you can see the price over here, $2,699. It's about $2,700, you can say it, or $2,700. And I'm checking out this, and you can see this is almost hard to drive, and you can look at the wheels as I turn it. You see how I move the wheel? Yeah. And you can see over here there's a gear, and over here this is a gear, how you want to cut the grass, and this has no seat belts. And I'm going to show you another one. You can come over here and you see, not this one, but this mower costs $5,000, $999. It's about $6,000. And as you can see, this has a seat belt to keep us safe. And you can do this. But this is not really good for me, so I managed to get off. And bye bye. I'll see you next time in Leo Science Universe. Bye bye.